It's Maggie, Just Enough Eyes. Today I wanted to do a tutorial. I got requested to do a Valentine's Day look and I thought it was very fitting to go with my new hair that I did. I did like a pink, purple, blue ombre and I thought a pink eyeshadow look would be really cute and fun to do. So let's get right into the tutorial. Alright, so I've already done my foundation and concealer. So underneath of that around my eye, I used the MAC Prep and Prime 24-Hour Extend Eye Base. So I applied that all around my eye underneath my foundation and concealer. Now I'm going to go in with a colored base. This is from MAC. It's the Pro Longwear Paint Pot in Currant Affair, which is a really beautiful, deep cranberry shade. So I'm going to take that on kind of a small concealer brush from Morphe. And I'm going to take this, starting with more product on the outer part of my eye where I know I'm going to want it to be darker, and close underneath my eye, just tilting my brush upwards instead of laying it flat. Next, I'm going to take another paint pot. This one is called Babe in Charms. It's a really pretty, more sheer tone. It has a really pretty reflect to it. So I'm going to take that on my lid, and then I'm taking that around the inner corner as well. Before I do my eyeshadow, I'm going to fill in my waterline so I can blend the edge with the eyeshadow that I'll be applying. So I'm using the Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in But First Espresso. So it's a really affordable drugstore option. So today I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina collection. This is like a really cute little palette and there's some really nice pops of colors, perfect for this more Valentine's inspired look. So starting on my lid, I'm going to take this center shade, which will match the Babe in Charms really nicely, and give it a really nice shimmer. And I'm just taking that on a MAC E39 brush, which is really nice to pack on color. So I'll also take that around the inner corner and a little bit underneath the eye. Next, I'm going to take this really nice cool tone pink. I think this will look really good with my hair on the MAC 219 brush, which is a smaller pencil brush. Taking that underneath the lash line. And once I have less on my brush, I can move down, blend it out a little bit. And then also taking that on the outer part of my lid. And I like to start creating that up and out shape for my eye, which gives quite a nice lift. So I will be blending this out. I'm just trying to set it where I want it to be the most deep and opaque. So now I'm going to use this brighter pink on the MAC 217 brush, and we're going to blend this out. So this will be a little lighter and brighter. So I think that'll go really nice in the crease. Colors like this usually stain your skin. That's pretty normal, but just to give you a heads up. So I always like to start closer to the look, closer to my eyelid, and then as I have less on my brush, I'm using windshield wiper motions and moving up and out, and also pulling up here. So it's a really good tip, especially if you have like downturned eyes, hooded eyes, to lift your eyeshadow up towards the end of your brow. It'll always make you look a little bit more happy and more awake. Now I'm going back with the pencil brush. I'm gonna go in with this really deep cranberry shade and work on darkening this outer part of my lid to give me more definition, and also right underneath the eye. Once again, blending out that eyeliner, just making it look a little more smoky. Switching to the Inglot 31T brush, I'm just gonna get a little bit more defined. So adding a little bit more of a shadow right under the waterline. And you can also create a bit of a shadow for where the liner is going to be. I always like to do a winged liner, but that way your shadow also goes up and out at the same place. I'm just going to pack on a little bit more of the deep shade on the outer lid with the flat brush to give me more depth still. I always like it when it's a nice like bright to dark contrast. It really pulls it together when you've got eyeliner on. Now I'm going to do my eyeliner. I'm using my favorite liquid liner from MAC, the Liquid Last 24-Hour Liner, and I'm going to do my traditional wing. I always love how precise this brush is because it really allows me to pull out and get a really thin wing at the end, and this is super waterproof. I definitely recommend it. So I finished off the look by using the MAC in Extreme Dimension 3D Black Mascara, and then for my lashes I used a pair of the 84 Goddess Lash from MAC, and the adhesive I used is the Callas Eyelash Adhesive. This one's latex free, it's from Amazon. I absolutely love this one. Stays all day, doesn't smell like anything. It has like a really nice almost liquid liner applicator. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you so much for commenting, liking, subscribing, and showing me support. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.